Aesthetic Interactive Card Tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀. Click Login, enter your email and password, and then click Login. Next, click New Site, then select Blank Page. Click the three-line icon in the top right corner, then select Background. Change the color to your liking, and also adjust the pattern as desired. Next, change the size to 18 and the thickness to 3, then click Done. Click Page, then change the width to 38. After that, click Animation in the top left corner, then change on Section Change to Fade In. Click the plus icon and select Container. Change the type to Columns and adjust the left column to 30. Next, set Mobile to Manual and the Layout to Default. Click the plus icon, select Image, then change the shape to Circle. Upload your photo. Next, click the plus icon, select Text, and change it to your name. Adjust the font to your liking. Click the plus icon, select Text, and change it to your short description. Then click the plus icon, select Button, and click Add until it up to 3 buttons. Change the names to About, Rules, and Interests. Adjust the button colors, then click Done. After that, click the Save icon, enter a title and description, change the action to Save as an offline draft, and click Save.